Hey guys, it's Jenni Kreuz from the Trifilo team at Hunt. I'd like to welcome you to our new listing at 72 University Drive in the city of Buffalo. I mean, look at the porch. It's an incredible house, and wait till you see inside.
Step inside and be greeted by classic Buffalo charm. Original woodwork and a beautiful stained glass accent the grand foyer. The formal dining room features rich paneling and a striking color palette, perfect for entertaining. Notice the elegant chandelier and charming window nook. Moving into the beautifully updated kitchen, you'll find modern stainless steel appliances, clean white cabinetry, and thoughtful pantry space, balancing historic detail with modern convenience. Upstairs, the home continues to impress, offering 3 distinct bedrooms, each bathed in natural light, including one with a delightful bay window and another featuring bold, scenic wallpaper. A chic, remodeled full bathroom completes the second floor. Schedule your private showing today. Contact us for listing details.